You're doing well. After a long gap, I came with the recorded session. Due to short leave, due to some issues, I was unable to give the some recorded session of the from last week. So now, in the previous video, whichever I uploaded, I discussed about class 6 only headings H1 से लेकर H6 का एक activity दिखाया था. So this is the activity I shown. So how many of you remembered? I don't know. So most of you done. I seen your classroom, Google Classroom assignments. This we used the code H1 से लेकर H6 का जो code है, so that we seen. And for scrolling, we seen the marquee tag. So this is the code which we done in the last video. Okay, most of you done their activity and they share their activity in the Google Classroom also. I checked it. Okay, now let's go into. So we are discussing class 6 part only. Okay, advanced features class 7 में जो दिया था, we also discuss that part also. But so right now I'm discussing with the class 6 part so that you will get revised. Okay. So with HTML, what we can do is you can create your own website that everyone know. So you can create your own website. That HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML's full form क्या है? Hypertext Markup Language. पहले HTML is derived from the language called HTML, Standard Graphics Markup Language. इसमें सिर्फ होगा कि आप लोग का टेक्स्ट का बारे में ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया. And also one of the features of your HTML is XML, Extended Markup Language, which is used for the database dealing. Okay. It is not a programming language, it is a markup language which is enclosed between the tags. Okay. The markup language is a set of some group of tags. Okay. What is tag again? So you are listening two words, new words which are here. The tag is the text which is enclosed in the angle brackets less than and greater than, that you know. Okay. Tag is nothing but which is enclosed in the angle brackets. Okay, which is enclosed in the angle brackets, okay. And it is written in the form of like open bracket, close the bracket, like HTML angle bracket open, HTML close. So every document should start with HTML opening tag and end with the closing tag. So HTML uses the markup tags to describe your web pages. It is not a case sensitive language. That is case sensitive in the sense if you write the capital का place में small लिखेगा तो small का place में तो capital लिखे तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि it will take the output. Okay. HTML document contains HTML tags and plain text. It also contains the tags and the plain text also which you are going to display. What are the elements and tags? A tag is always enclosed in the angle bracket which is shown. So like it is enclosed like HTML which is enclosed in the angle brackets less than and greater than. HTML tags normally comes in pairs like HTML opening and HTML closing. So that is start tag. This is called as a start tag. This is called as a start tag. And this is called as an end tag. So HTML end tag, that is forward slash correct. Start and end tags are also called as opening tags and closing tags. They are also called opening tags and closing tags. These are the words you have to remember. That's why I'm discussing from the class 6 part also. So those who not listened in the class 6, okay, for them only I'm getting revised. Okay, आप लोग HTML advanced features आपको जो text book में दिया था, मैं उसी से continue करूँगा. But before that, I'm also discussing some basics of the HTML. That's why I'm discussing all this part. The tag is enclosed in the angle brackets, that is less than or greater than. Okay, the starting tag is called as a opening tag and also end tag is also called as a closing tag that you see. How to start? So we are having our code with that. So you have to write in the any editor. That is, I taken the notepad editor. So once you run your code, you have to save the file with the .html or .htm extension and view that page in any of the browser like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Netscape, Navigator, Opera, like anything, etc. The purpose of web browser like Internet Explorer, Firefox is to read HTML documents and display them as a web page. तो पहले हम लोग को क्या क्या चाहिए, हम लोग को नोटपैड चाहिए कोड लिखने के लिए, एक करना पड़ेगा तो ब्राउजर चाहिए तो जो कोड का जो आउटपुट देखने के लिए. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, so we need for executing these programs of HTML markup tags, first we need notepad or textpad, any text editor. Then after we need a browser, any of the browser, okay, to see the output. Next, the code with the HTML, that first code we done. Okay, so that is पहले तो head section रहता है. Head section में सिर्फ title रहेगा. Okay, this you care to remember. This is the head section. This is called head section. This is called head section. Head section में title रहेगा. So head open, head title open. Title का लिखा था, title close किया था, head close किया. Then body section. So body section contains the main content which you want to go and display. So body opening and body closing and close the HTML. So this is called as a body section. This is called as a body section. Okay. This is called head section. This is called body section. Every HTML document contains so two sections, that is the head section and body section. So body section हो गया, ठीक है. Now head section, body section, head section में title लिखेगा, title को close करेगा. Body section में body में जो content है, main content which you are going to display, that is being displayed in the body section. Then close the HTML tag. So starting में HTML tag open करना है, last में HTML tag closing करना है. Now, so what does that HTML tag defines? So it describes HTML web page that is to be viewed by the web browser. The web browser ko it is indication or notification that we are viewing the HTML page, HTML page. For that indication only that tag is being used. The head tag. So this defines the header section of your page. So header section मतलब head section. So where you write your title. This shows the caption in the title of your bar of the web page. So title जो है title bar के लिए use होता है. And body section is the tag which contains the web page, what you are going to display, that all things are written between the body section only. So keep remember, so we are having the four mainly the tags, that is HTML tag, head tag, title tag and body tag. The HTML tag defines this type of document belongs to the HTML page by the web browser. Head section defines the header section of your web page, and the title defines the title of your document which is shown in the title bar of your page. The body section is the content where you show content in the web page which you are going to display. So this is about the um, different tags. The types of HTML tags. There are two different types of tags. That is first is container element and then empty element. So container tag contains the start tag and end tag. That is HTML opening and HTML closing. So container में हम लोग को तो जहाँ पे जो टैग में ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग दोनों का होगा उसको कहते हैं हम लोग कंटेनर एलिमेंट और कंटेनर टैग. जहाँ पे ओनली स्टार्ट टैग है, क्लोजिंग टैग नहीं है, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग एम्प्टी एलिमेंट और एम्प्टी टैग. So there are two different types of tags, that is container element and the empty element. So container tag contains the starting tag and the end tags which is shown like HTML opening and HTML closing. But empty element contains only the start tag but no closing tag. So that is the difference between the empty tag and the container tag. So container tags में तो container is like a box, no? So container box में आप लोग का so both opening and closing जैसा रहेगा. But whereas in the empty element there is only opening, no closing. Okay, that's about this types of the tags. तो टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग टैग्स which we see, that is H1 से लेकर H6 तक हम लोग जो लास्ट क्लास किया था. So H1 is the printing in the largest heading and H6 is the smallest heading that we seen in our last class. This also H6 H1 से लेकर H6 का कोड भी हो गया हम लोग का. Now paragraph tag, this is a very important. Today we discuss this paragraph tag. So पहले जो टैग्स में H1 से हेडिंग टैग्स में आप लोग हेडर टैग्स में आप लोग देख दिया था H1 से लेकर H6 तक. So देखा था टेक्स्ट, but if you want to display some divide into paragraph, so then we use the tag called P. P is the tag used for the paragraph defining only. So P is the tag used for defining the paragraph. So now if you see here, this is the first paragraph in our page. So and again, then one more paragraph there is. Then the pre also, this text is a pre-formatted. It's a one type of text formatting tag also. Okay. Next, line break and horizontal line tag. So line break or horizontal tag, these are called as a empty tags. The line break which is used for to break the line and to go to the new line. Okay, in the paragraph. So define the horizontal line using the tag called horizontal rule, that is horizontal HR. So BR or HR element or the empty HTML element, that is which you seen. Okay, so BR and HR are the HTML empty elements only. So BR tag contains only opening, no closing. So HR contains only opening and no closing. HR tag is used for the horizontal line in the web page. Okay, so these are the different text formatting tags. That is, if you want to make your text as a bold, if you want to make your text as a italic, you want to make the defense text as a some big type and emphasize the text, small text, strong text, subscript text, superscript text, insert text, deleted text, TT, teletype text, and underline text. So these are the different types of tags which are used for the text formatting only. So this we'll discuss today. We'll see so paragraph. So one paragraph we'll see. So what type of paragraph we'll see today. We are also having the paragraph का attribute भी है. So paragraph attributes are like left, right, center, and justify. So defaultly paragraph will be in the left side only. Left लिखने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो राइट सेंटर जस्टिफाई आप लोग करना है तो कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो पैराग्राफ टैग्स के इंसर्ट करने के लिए पी टैग एंड एट्रीब्यूट इज एन एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉपर्टी, एडिशनल प्रॉपर्टी व्हिच यू आर एडिंग टू द टैग. ओके, so now align is an attribute which is used to the insert the paragraph in the which side of the position you want. So like left चाहिए, right चाहिए, center चाहिए, justify चाहिए, that all things you can display. So now based on this paragraph tag, so we'll have one activity. So let's see that activity, how will we get that activity. See, like first HTML, open the notepad. I already opened HTML opening, HTML then head opening. head of open, then title, title opening, my second, I'm going a little bit fast because these are the topics which I already covered in the class 6 only. Again, for continuation, I am showing, okay. So don't be panic that what the sir is telling you. If you go to the textbook of class 6, you'll get all things, okay. Don't confusion that these are the things are not discussed in the textbook, okay. Textbook का भी आएंगे, वो तो advanced features है. पहले तो हम लोग basics को रिविजन चल रहे हैं, okay. नेक्स्ट हेड टाइटल ओपन किया था, टाइटल लिखा था, टाइटल को क्लोज कर दिया था, फिर हेड क्लोज किया था, हेड ओपन किया था, बॉडी बीजी कलर इफ यू वांट, तो बीजी कलर अमेरिकन इंग्लिश बीजी कलर इज इक्वल टू येलो, येलो करके लिखा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, येलो एंड पैराग्राफ टैग पी अलाइन, ई अलाइन इज इक्वल टू लेफ्ट, सो डिफॉल्ट तो लेफ्ट ही तो रहता है, फिर भी हम लोग लिख रहे थे, सो व्हाट विल राइट वन पैराग्राफ, लेट्स सी, सैनिक स्कूल, सैनिक स्कूल पुरुलिया इज one of the one of the 33 sainik schools in the country. uh, Disturb, I want some to go to the next line इधर से, so break use करो, if you want continue you can use it, okay. One of the 33 sainik schools in the country, so these schools are managed by sainik school society, Ministry of Ministry of Defense, and close it. Close the paragraph. Okay, close the paragraph. Close paragraph. Okay. The same thing I want to copy it. Same thing I want to copy in, but I'll change this align attribute. Align attribute में change करूँगा, है ना? ठीक है, देखो. Align left हो गया, align right करो, ठीक है? Align right, align center, align center. नाउ क्लोज दी पैराग्राफ हो गया, बॉडी बॉडी हो गया ना, बॉडी भी हो गया, बॉडी में सिर्फ पैराग्राफ का ही हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, और ब्रेक टैग इज यूज्ड फॉर टू गो टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन, ओके. देन आफ्टर वी आल्सो सी सम ऑफ द टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेटिंग टैग्स दैट आल्सो विल डिस्कस, ओके. यू वेट फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स, देन लेट्स क्लोज दिस बॉडी टैग, क्लोज द html tag, okay. Now save the document, save the document, save the document with class 7 second, ठीक है. डॉट एच टी एम एल कंपल्सरी, डॉट एच टी एम एल ये याद करना, ठीक है. डॉट एच टी एम एल इज द मस्ट एंड शुड, ओके. डॉट एच टी एम एल तो सेव कर दिया मैं डेस्कटॉप में, सो लेट मी मिनिमाइज दिस वन, सो लेट मी सी द आउटपुट, क्लास 7 करके इधर है, ओपन विथ एनी ऑफ द ब्राउजर. या आई थिंक यू आर एबल टू सी, एक तो लेफ्ट में आया, एक तो राइट साइड में आया, एकदम सेंटर में आया, है ना. तो पता चल रहा होगा, एक लाइन, एक लेफ्ट साइड आया, एक राइट साइड आया, एक सेंटर में आया था, बट कंट्री के बाद जो है इट इज गॉन टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्रेक टैग. क्लियर. इफ यू वांट टू डू फॉर द टू डू सम चेंज, लाइक यू वांट टू मेक सम मार्क्यू, लाइक स्क्रोलिंग चाहिए, तो मार्क्यू इधर ही कर दो, मार्क्यू. marquee close, just save it and just refresh it, you'll get the scrolling option. Yeah, I think you understood scrolling option which we can do with the help of the marquee tag. So now let's go into, if you want to see the some source code, if you can see the source code also, like right click view page source में जाके आपने जो क्या क्या लिखा है कोड, अपने जो पेज का जो है वो सारा जो आप लोग देख सकते हैं व्यू पेज सोर्स में, ठीक है. नाउ next, let's go to yeah, formatting tags. Formatting tags, these are the different types of text formatting tags, which we discussed right now. That is, if you want to make your text as a bold, then you use the bold B tag. So if you want to make your text some big, so then you use the big tag. So let us do all these the different types of text formatting tag using with the uh, programming. So let's start. Let's make HTML heading heading uh, title open my third web page. Close the title, है ना? Close the head. Close body open. लाइट ग्रीन करके लिखा था. Yeah, first tag I think you seen. What is the first tag you seen? B tag. So B tag is used for bold tag. So let's take this bold SSP class 7 close the bold tag. So this is closing. So BR is there. BR is for the go to the next line. Okay. Next big. So big is a tag used for the making our text big size. है ना? Close the big. Again BR. Then EM emphasized text. So what is that emphasized text? You see class 7 EM close it BR close it. BR is for going to the next line. Next italic. It will make the text italic. SSP class 7 close I close sorry open BR. Okay. Next small text SSP class 7 small close open the BR. Next strong text क्या होता है देखना पड़ेगा आउटपुट हम लोग. ओके 7 strong. ठीक है. Then close open the BR. Then subscript is used for the subscript. Like if you want to make a H2O like formula, then you want टू तो नीचे रहना चाहिए ना, तो उसके लिए तो सबस्क्रिप्ट यूज करता है. जो वी आर अप्लाइंग सबस्क्रिप्ट फॉर द टू वैल्यू. तो टू नीचे आने के लिए बेस में आना चाहिए. H2O H2O close the BR. सॉरी BR ओपन. BR का तो ओपनिंग ही रहता है. देन सुपरस्क्रिप्ट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर लाइक ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब. तो पावर में आने के लिए देन वी यूज द टैग कॉल्ड superscript. SUP only. They are written super or SUP is enough. SUP close SUP plus B SUP open to SUP close a square plus B square done. Then break it. देन और भी बहुत कुछ है वो सब जरूरत नहीं है. लेट्स टेक अंडरलाइन ओनली. अंडरलाइन जो है लेट्स सी class 7 underline BR. Then strike the text. You see in your e-commerce sites में आप लोग देखते हो. This is P class 7 strike the text BR close it. Okay. Close the body, close the HTML. ठीक. Okay. कोड बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है कि these are the text formats, different text formats available. If you want to make it Mercu, that is scrolling, use the Mercu tag. Mercu tag before the body and body के बाद है ना. Yeah, let's see the output. Just save it. Oh, class 7 third web page. .html. HTML कंपलसरी है. HTML याद कर. ठीक. Yeah, let's see the output how it is coming. Yeah, class 7 third is there here. Open with Google Chrome. Just zoom it. Yeah, I think you're saying SSP जो class 6, class 7 पहले bold उसके बाद underline monospace font like that it is came. Okay, italic form, underline form, big space next to the H2O A square plus B square, underline striking the text that all things came. देख रहे हैं? If you want to see the code, you can see that code. Okay, if you make any mistakes, you can check from here. I think you understood the code. I think. तो पहले तो HTML खुलेगा उसके बाद हेड सेक्शन में टाइटल रहेगा then after you start your body section so which color you want to apply you apply it then you use the tags of the different text formatting text which are shown so B stands for bold big stands for big text EM stands for emphasized text I stands for italicized and small stands for small type of text strong text they are used for actually visually impaired text बोलते हैं इसको small strong em big ये सब जो है visually impaired text बोलते हैं then subscript and superscript they are used for the making of the base and exponent के लिए use होगा. U for the underline, strike here for the striking of the text. These are the tags today we see. So next class we'll see about some more about tags of the font tags which are we discussed in the class 7 only. Sorry 6 only. So based on that our next class will continue with the HTML advanced features. Okay. उसके बाद वाला class में आप लोग के HTML advanced features cover होगा. Thank you. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, be prepared to try this all of you and share it me in the Google Classroom. Thank you. Okay.